What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to do a quick video on my truck's exhaust system. I had a couple of you guys ask me what kind of exhaust I have and if I have a stall converter for my cam. I do not have a stall converter for my cam. It's actually the factory stall converter. But for my exhaust, I do have almost a full exhaust. All I need to get is the aftermarket Y pipe. But these are my headers. I'm trying to get in there so you guys can see them. They're Texas Speed headers. I bought these and installed them here at home. They were very simple to put on. It wasn't very difficult at all. Didn't run into any problems. They literally bolted on extremely easy. And they came with everything you needed to install them. Well, except for the tool, but it had all the hardware and everything. It was a pretty good deal. I think I paid about $300 or so. Don't quite remember. I've had these on here for about gonna say going on 2 years or so already, and they're still in really good shape. As it does have a full, almost a full 3.5-inch exhaust. I'll show you guys that in a second. Let me crawl under my truck and I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm under the truck now. These are my headers. You can see it still has a factory Y pipe. And then it goes to the connection here. And from here back, it's 3.5-inch. It's 3.5-inch all the way to the exhaust tip. That's a Flowmaster Hushpower Pro Series muffler. 3.5-inch inlet with a 3.5-inch outlet. And we did this full exhaust here at my brother's house. So everything's welded here. We welded everything up and fit it so that as good as we could. We basically routed it through the exact same route that the factory exhaust had gone through. But we did it all with pie cuts. So we can't really bend 3.5-inch pipe very well. You can see our pie cuts right there. Not the cleanest, but it works. And it goes all the way back out to the tip. Let me get over there. The tip coming out the back. I'll give you guys another sound clip in just a little bit. Give me a second. I'm gonna give you guys another sound clip. See, there's my exhaust. There's my exhaust pipe, 3.5-inch. Actually cut it at an angle so that it looks more like an exhaust tip. See, tucks under quite a bit. Painted everything flat black since it's my whole exhaust pipe is galvanized pipe left over from work. Asked the boss if I can have them. He gave them to me, so figured I'd use it for an exhaust, and came out pretty good. Let's see. Start it up. Sounds good at an idle, doesn't it? guys. That's what I have as an exhaust for my truck. Excuse the truck for being dirty. I'd gone fishing yesterday. Had to make my own road. Yeah. Oh. This is my brother's car. You'll probably see this thing in some videos in the future. And know that is not Mario. That's actually Ron Jeremy. Just letting you guys know. Everybody was confused it for Mario. Why would he put Mario on his car if it's Ron Jeremy? You know what I mean? Yeah. So go to the car. It's pretty quick for what it is. It has a motor swap. I'll have my brother open it up real quick so that you guys can check it out. Tell them a little bit about your car, bro.
It's a B20B, high compression. It's pretty much stock. All it has is upgraded fuel system, fuel rail, fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator. Just has a header, full catback exhaust, 3.25 inch full catback, and that's about it. And in our future videos, we're gonna pump it up full of nitrous and probably blow it up because I'm gonna go K-series on it.
How much horsepower you think it's making right now as it is? And I don't know how much do these make stock.
Well, Wikipedia says 140, but I don't know. Feels like a go-kart.
Alright. Well, thank you for tuning into this video. If you guys want to see some more videos on the Honda, go ahead and leave a comment. If you liked how my truck's exhaust sounded, go ahead and let me know. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll be posting more videos up soon. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye-bye.